NCEA Chinese Level 3, Characters and Compounds, Unit 10, brought to you by NZ Chinese Classroom. 大家好，我是安利老师. Couple of reminders before we start. Make sure that you repeat after me. Take note of the example sentences and pause before I give the translation so that you can have a go at working it out yourself. And write down any questions that you have so that you can discuss them with your teacher in class. 我们开始吧. 见. Okay, let's have a look at the compounds. 他们决定建一家饭馆. So 建 means to build. So what did they decide to build? They decided to build one restaurant or a restaurant. So remember the measure word for restaurant is 家. Okay. And 建议. So this doesn't mean to build. You might have learnt this one when you were doing your speech. You were suggesting people to go to different places around the country or in your hometown. So 建议 means to suggest or recommend. So what does this have to do with building? Have a think about that. Alright, so 在北京的时候，我建议你去故宫. So when you're in Beijing, I suggest that you go to the Forbidden City. Is that a good suggestion? Okay, and 建筑. So this means to build or a building. Let's have a look. 你知道北京最大的建筑吗? Do you know Beijing's biggest building? So have a Google afterwards and see if you can find what is Beijing's biggest building. So even Tiananmen, even a square, that can be classed as a 建筑. It doesn't necessarily have to be some big tall enclosed thing. So have a think about that. What's Beijing's biggest building? 建筑. Alright, 江. So we have learnt 河, a river. A jiang is a large river, a great river. And of course you can see the water radicals in there. So 你能不能在这条江游泳? Can you swim in this river? What's the measure word for a river? That's right, long skinny things, 条. So can you swim in this river? Might be a bit dangerous. Alright, 长江, Changjiang. This is China's biggest river. Oh, I'm giving it away. 长江是中国最长的江. So Changjiang, the river, is China's biggest river. And in English we will call this the Yangtze River. Okay, which it literally means long river. Just a bit like the Great Wall, Changcheng, the long wall. Alright, jiang. So this is about the future, things that you will do. So it can be used by itself, very similar to 要. 我将骑自行车去学校. So I will ride a bike to school. So we could also say 我要骑自行车去学校. I will ride a bike to school. So they're used interchangeably. So yeah, there's another one for you to learn. Okay, and 将来, this means in the future. So it's kind of a time word. 我将来想当老师. In the future, I would like to become a teacher. Nina? Alright. 讲. So this is about speaking, and we've got the speech radical on the left there. So 他讲汉语吗? Does he speak Chinese? So this can mean a lecture, or it can mean to speak. Okay, 讲话. Same sort of thing, it can mean a speech or to speak. 动物不会讲话. Animals can't speak. And last one, 演讲. So this is third tone, so the first one goes to second tone, 演讲. So this 演 is about performing something or rehearsing something. So This is like a spoken speech when someone stands up on a stage and delivers a speech. So in your Chinese class, you might have to give a 演讲. So 他的演讲太长了. So maybe this is about your principal. His speech was too long. All right, jiao. So jiao has a couple of meanings. It can mean a horn, or it can mean 10 cents. And it can also mean like an angle. So in maths, you would talk about the jiao and how many degrees it is. So something kind of pointy. All right, so 牛有两个角. The cow has 2 horns. And we can also use it as 10 cents. So 3元8角. So 3 yuan and 80 cents. So 8 lots of 10 cents, 80 cents. Okay. 饺. You should know this one. 饺子. Dumplings. 你觉得饺子是中国最有名的小吃吗? Do you think that dumplings are China's most famous snack? 我觉得. Okay, last one. 接. So we're using our hand to pick up something or accept something. And we've also got a woman radical in there as well. 妈妈每天都来学校接我. So every day, Mum comes to school to pick me up. Okay, and 接电话, to pick up a phone call, to accept a phone call. 有人可以接电话吗? Can someone pick up the phone? So you might be busy with your hands full in the kitchen or something, and the phone's ringing. 有人可以接电话吗? All right, and 接受. This means to accept or to receive something. Okay. 昨天我接受了老师的帮助. So yesterday I received the teacher's help. So it doesn't have to be something physical, something that you actually can hold on to. You can accept or receive help. 接受. To follow up, write down any questions that you have, get onto Quizlet to practice these words, complete the listening activity for this week, any grammar activities, and prepare for the unit test. Until next time, 再见.